waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Conneaut, Ohio. Open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake, Ohio until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I went up for 2 special marine warnings?
At 3:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Okay, that's weird.
A strong thunderstorm was located over Cleveland, moving east at 30 knots. Winds moving northeast from the thunderstorm will affect the waters of Lake Erie.
Oh.
The thunderstorm will continue to move east. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Willow Lake, Geneva on the Lake, Fairport Harbor, and Cleveland.
Oh.
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A special weather statement. For the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas, a line of strong thunderstorms capable of producing gusty wind and heavy rain will affect northeastern Harrison, northern Jefferson, southeastern Columbiana, Carroll, northeastern Tuscarawas, northwestern Washington, southwestern Beaver, northeastern Brooke and Hancock counties.
Jesus.
At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar indicated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near East Sparta to 6 miles west of Wellsville. Movement was southeast at 10 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Whidden, Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Wellsville, Carrollton, Toronto, Witchersville, Mingo Junction, Follansbee, Hooverson Heights, Chester. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio near mile marker 82, in between mile markers 90 and 94. Torrential rainfall also is occurring with these storms and may cause localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. These storms may intensify, so monitor local radio or television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. Here is an urgent message.
Huh. Well, there was something that I normally don't hear on no weather radio about the storm is intensifying. You guys might expect more EAS alerts coming in. Let's check outside. Oh yeah, look at that. They're building up, all right. Alrighty then.